Hey, what's going on, my friends? This is David Richard, and today I got a very special video for you. All right, so today we're gonna look into how you can copy your Telegram signals from any provider out there. I know there are a lot of people who are killing it in terms of gold and any other currency or index that you want to trade. But sometimes you're at work and you can't really enter those signals. And at the same time, you don't want to use those dumb applications that just copy your signals without any context. What we're going to do here, we're going to show you something that we have built here at Flowbase that actually helps you to, put AI in the middle, all right, between your account and the signal provider, all right. So AI is the one that is going to, read the context from your signal provider, and then it can actually execute the trades, close the trades, and do all sorts of things in your account without you lifting a finger. So if you're a fan of automation and Telegram signals, I'm sure you're gonna love this. Come here to flowbase.store. We got an application that is, you don't have to download any other thing. This is a complete full system that you can use, and you can actually connect your AI API key, and it can be working for you 24/7. All right, so just come here, and this is the product that we're talking about. It's called the Telegram AI powered trader, and it's a complete solution. Go ahead and read how it works and actually view some of these screenshots. All right, and if you're satisfied, go ahead and click on buy, and after that you actually receive a success message, all right, and a download link. Just go ahead and click on download. You can go ahead and unzip the file that you have downloaded. So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this, right? I'm gonna put it in my VPS, but you can put it on your PC, or if you're using Mac, you can put it on a Mac. Because this app works on a local host, it doesn't have to connect to a domain or anything. All right, so just copy this, and I'm gonna put it on my Windows VPS because I need it to be running consistently, and if I switch off my computer here, I need it to keep on running. Okay, so whether my computer is on or off, it will continue running through the VPS. So that's why I like the VPS. So if I come here, I have a Windows VPS, I can just paste this right here onto my C drive. All right, the second step that you need to make on your Windows VPS or any local machine that you're using, be it a Mac or a Linux machine, download Node.js or install Node.js. And if you want to check if Node.js is installed, open the command prompt and then type node, then -v. all right, we want to see if Node is installed. As you can see, Node is installed on my system, but for learning purposes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can just download Node.js. So come here and click on download Node.js. When you arrive at this page, just go down and click on this Windows installer. All right, click on Windows installer. If you are on a Mac, it will be very easy for you to just go on ChatGPT and ask how to install Node.js. All right, it's just simple and straightforward. All right, so I'm just gonna click here on install. All right, I'm downloading for now. All right, and once it's downloaded, I'm gonna click on open, right, and go through this installation process. It's very easy. All that you have to do is to go next. All right, now that you have installed your Node.js, I'm just gonna come right to my folder, the one I just pasted right here. So I'm just going to open it like that. So here I'm just gonna click on this bar here, and then backspace to delete everything. All right, then I'm just gonna type cmd. all right, enter. Now the command prompt window is open right here. So the first thing we want to do is to install all the dependencies that are needed for app to run. Okay, so we're gonna put npm, right, then space, then we're gonna say install. All right, we're installing, so npm install, and then we're gonna wait until the installation of those modules is finished. All right, guys, now that the dependencies are installed, let's go ahead now and start our application by just typing npm start. Okay, npm start. and we are starting our application, right? It's starting. All right, cool. Our application is up and running. So let's go ahead and open our browser and type localhost colon 3000. It will open this setup form. All right, let's just put any username that we want to use. The second step here is to allow an API connection to our phone number, right? To Telegram. Okay, this is the number that we're gonna join all these groups with, or we might have joined those groups already. All right, so here let's click on this link right here. It's gonna take us to the Telegram API. Okay, so when you come here, put your phone number, right, starting with the country code. Here you can click next. Okay, you will receive a confirmation code into your Telegram. Okay, so just click on your Telegram and there is a code that is sent, right? So I'm gonna open my Telegram and just copy this code that was sent right here, and then I'm gonna paste it right there. As you can see right here, I've got an app configuration. Okay, if you don't have an app, you can go where it says apps, right? And then you can create a new app. Okay, when you create a new app, you have your app ID and your app hash. Okay, so the next thing here is to just copy this app ID, right, and come back here and just put the app ID right there, and then the app hash, we're just gonna copy again that, and then we're gonna put it right there. Make sure that you don't show anyone your app hash or your app IDs because they are very, very sensitive. Now we need to put the channel ID, right, of the channel that we really want to copy from. Okay, so here I'm just gonna come and get a channel ID, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to get a channel ID. All right, this is the guy who sends a lot of gold signals. So you can come here and click on one of those messages and click on forward, right, and then you can search here JSON dump bot. So this is the JSON dump bot that you have to just send this. After sending, you actually see that you get this ID. Okay, so just take this ID and copy it. All right, and then we can put it right there. This is the channel we want to copy. So if you don't have a channel yet, it's fine, you can just continue. All right, but here I'm just putting it right here. So I'm just gonna say, and then I'm just gonna click on continue. All right, and then here I can just leave it blank. All right, and then continue. All right, so I just logged in right there. So let me start monitoring again and make sure that I put the correct information this time. Okay, so a code was sent. All right, successful right there. So as you can see, I have verified my phone number and you can see that it's online now. It's monitoring. Okay, so it's monitoring that account. Okay, so I can come here to Telegram config if I want to add more channels that I want to monitor from. So here I'm going to add a channel that I can control so that I can show you exactly how the signals happen. All right, so if I come here, I'm just going to say flow base, put the channel ID and add the channel. All right, so it was added successfully. So I'm going to send a message from my flow base channel that I'm using for testing. So I'm going to send a message that just says hi. Okay, as you can see that total messages have changed to 1. So you can see here live activity hi. As you can see, this is the message that has been sent. So here we are monitoring each and every message that is in that channel that we have put right there. So you can monitor as many channels as you want, right? As long as you are members of those channels. So now we have verified that we can actually receive some signals. So we need now to configure our AI. Okay, that's the next step. So we can come here to trading agent. Here there's few things that we need to put in right here so that we can, configure our AI. So the first one is the OpenAI API key that we need to just go to platform, right? Go to platform. Now you're on the OpenAI platform. Make sure that you log in and you've got an account with OpenAI. Just log in with that OpenAI account. So what you just have to do next is to click on this icon, right? And click on your profile. Then you can come to billing, all right? And then here at billing, that's where you need to add some credit, okay? So you can click on add credit to this balance. You see you can put $10 worth of credits for a start, all right? And these are really generous. The $10, right, can last you for about a month, depending on how many channels are you actually monitoring. So if you're monitoring one channel, yeah, $10 is enough for a month, all right? But if you're monitoring more channels, you might need more credit here. All right, so just go ahead and add some balance. After adding some balance, go ahead and click on API keys right here, and you can click on add new secret key. Then you can give it a name. Let's copy that secret key and come here and put it right here. This is our secret key. This is our API key, all right? Trading API key. So here you can just put 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's fine. Then save. Let's verify. Okay, you can see that everything seems like it's saved. Let's just come here and test connection. The connection is fine. Everything else here you can just adjust according to your own, preference. Okay, so when that is done, you can come to instruments. Right here is where you can put the instruments that you want to trade. Take for instance, today is a Sunday, so I'm just gonna put here BTC USD so that we can be able to test. So now I've added another instrument that is Bitcoin right there. Okay, so all these instruments here I can trade. If you have anything else that you want to trade, you can actually put it right there. All right, now that this is done, we are done setting up our app, and now we are actually ready to actually, set up our MT5 client. And let's come here now and get this Telerisa EA. As you can see, this is an EA. We're gonna copy it, all right? And let's go to an MT5 terminal like this one right here. We got a demo account, good, perfect for testing in the experts folder. All right, now that is pasted, now let's go ahead and come here and refresh right here. Okay, so it's right here. Okay, but before we put it onto the chart, we need to just do a few things. Okay, let's just open a BTC USD chart that we're gonna put it on, and then let's just do that. Okay, fine. We're just going to come here and say tools, options, right? And make sure that we have allow web requests checked, and then we put HTTP, right, colon / 127.0.0.1, exactly as it is right here. And make sure that it's allowed, it's put in the allowed URLs, and you just click on OK. So that's cool, right? And then now let's just take our Telerisa MT5 and we can put it right there. And then inputs, you don't have to change anything right here. Let's just put it like that and then OK. All right, so as you can see right here, we are connected, everything. Now that we're connected, let's test what would happen if, right, in one of our channels that we are monitoring, we get a signal. So I'm gonna type in the flow-based channel. Let's go back here. So here I'm gonna type buy BTC USD, all right? And then we're gonna see what's gonna happen to our account, right? So this is a signal that has been sent, all right? And as you can see that a signal was opened, all right? And it was not just opened, all right? It went through the context of an AI first, and then the AI figured out that it needs to open the trade, all right? And as you can see, let's go back, right? And we can actually see the logs of this happening. On these execution logs, we can come here and see this log that was just, put right here. You can see, so this was the prompt that was entered, right, as you can see right here, and this was the AI's response, right, according to this prompt. Okay, so this is not just an AI, this is actually an AI agent. All right, it has got different tools that you can use, and it actually decides to use a tool based on the work that it needs to do. Okay, so you can see here it's using tools, right? So we gave it some tools for it to actually work with. All right, if you have seen my other videos for end-to-end, it's like an end-to-end workflow, but we actually do it so that it doesn't rely on end-to-end. All right, so this is a complete project. You don't need any end-to-end to be running. All right, you only need this project and your MT5, and then it will be working. So right now, if I can come to dashboard, right, I can see I've got 2 channels that I am actually monitoring from. I said buy it. I can come here. I say but it. I want to check if it knows that I said buy. Okay, as you can see, it's a buy right there. So even if I make a mistake, it knows what I'm talking about. Okay, and if I say close all, it will close everything. All right, okay, so everything was closed. So it will read everything that the Telegram admin is saying. If the Telegram admin is saying break even, if the Telegram admin is saying lock profits, the Telegram admin is saying enter more position, it will read in between the lines and according to the prompt. All right, so one other thing is you can modify the prompt by coming here and click on AI prompts, right, and then you can modify the prompt from here. Okay, so this is the prompt that it's using. You can modify it from here. As you can see, it has also variables that you can use, right, like things like this. It's the user message, the message that has been sent in the Telegram group, the running trades, right, because it also has an ability to check to see what trades are running so that it can have context. So this is a comprehensive, as you can see right here, it's showing running trades, commander's message, it's showing all the tools that are available and the instruments that are available. Everything is put into this prompt so that it can know exactly the context at which it needs to act on. All right, so with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is exactly how you can copy or how you can enter your trades from any of your favorite Telegram groups using AI in the middle. It's not just a copy and paste thing. It's a context, right, based workflow whereby it goes into AI first and AI makes the decision and use the tools that are at its disposal. And this is a complete system. Go ahead to flowbase.store. Flowbase.store. You can purchase your license and you can use it and you can monitor from any different accounts.